when the very first ray of sunlight touches the dirt paths of our village, a quiet peace fills the air. Good morning, my dear child. As the cool breeze blew this morning, my heart wished to cook something that warms the soul and comforts the heart. In the old days, my mother used to say that if you begin your morning with a prayer and a gentle smile, blessings stay with you all day. Come, let's sprinkle some water in the courtyard first and then head towards the kitchen. Light-hearted with a soft, affectionate smile. Every morning, I walk down this small dirt path to the local market. Today, I found fresh yogurt made in a clay pot, rich, creamy, and wonderfully tangy. I also picked up fresh coriander and crisp ginger. The true secret of a delicious Kadhi lies in these fresh ingredients. Gentle aroma of fresh curd always takes me back to my childhood days, churning yogurt alongside my mother. The simpler the recipe, the richer the flavor. Meanwhile, for the pakoras, we slice onions and potatoes, mixing them with fresh coriander and a pinch of carom seeds. Carom seeds add a wonderful aroma and aid digestion, making every bite a delight. The firewood stove is lit and glowing gently. We place our clay handi on the fire to let the Kadhi simmer. Remember Dadi's golden rule, my child. The slower it cooks on a gentle flame, the deeper its authentic flavor becomes. While the Kadhi simmers softly, we fry golden pakoras in warm ghee. Look how crisp and fluffy they turn out. Now comes the best part, the special Desi Ghee tempering. As dried red chilies, cumin, and fresh curry leaves sizzle in pure ghee, the entire courtyard fills with an enchanting aroma. As we pour this sizzle over the golden Kadhi, it creates pure magic. On the adjacent stove, our fluffy white rice cooked in a clay pot is ready. Pouring this rich, flavorful Kadhi pakora over steaming hot rice, topped with a spoonful of pure ghee, brings a sense of comfort that words cannot describe. The sun is slowly setting, painting the sky in golden hues. I am resting on my woven charpoy, enjoying this warm meal. Do try this recipe at home and let your Dadi know how it turned out. Stay blessed and happy, Allah.